Well, the seas are a rare sight today, but this home I have for you is not. It's beautiful, and I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go. Welcome to this bamboo model here in Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. Even though it's got a small footprint, it feels so spacious. Makes it very affordable to live on the beach. You've got these beautiful quartz upgrades. They have added some beautiful lighting, and I can't wait to show you the bedroom. This beautiful model boasts such large, expansive space. You can easily put a dresser here, and you've got plenty of room for nightstands, and you've got ample space in the ensuite. Particularly, this one is beautiful with the upgraded mirrors, and again, you've got those cohesive countertops and cabinets throughout this beautiful home. Let's keep checking it out. Information, look in the description below. I have the listing link there for you. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any deals like these.